What's up guys, it's Bear here at Morimoto Lighting, and today we're going to be doing some taillight installs for your 2014 and up Toyota Tundra. These are our new Morimoto XB Taillights. So before we get into the install, let's tell you what they're all about. So with these taillights, they come in two different color variations. You could get the clear version or the red version. You also have an option of having a standard turn signal or the sequential turn signal. But here in a minute, I'll show you how to switch in between the two. So another awesome feature about these taillights is the switchback feature. Whenever you're hitting the brakes, it is extremely bright red color. And when you turn on your turn signals, it switches to an amber color when using it. They also come with an extremely bright white LED reverse light. They are also a full plug-and-play system, making the install nice and easy. So now we're going to go ahead and get into the install, and I'm also going to show you guys how to switch from the standard turn signal to the sequential. So first things first, go ahead and drop down your tailgate, and then you'll be using a T30 on these side bolts right here. So when removing your taillights, make sure you pull it up and out towards you. So as you can see here, the XB harness has the same plugs as your OEM harness, except for one thing, and that is the sequential turn signal option. So right now our turn signal is in sequential mode, but to change that, all you have to do is unplug it from here and plug it into this harness, and then it will be in standard mode. And of course the taillights will go in right back in just the way you took them out. And it is easy as that to do your install and also change out from standard to sequential turn signals. Alright guys, and easy as that, your Morimoto XB taillights are installed. If you want to find out what other type of Tundra products we have in store for you, just head over to our website and put your year, make, and model, and we'll see you guys over there.